Yeah. So in this problem, you have two inputs, input 1 and input 2, and both of them are objects, and they
Okay.
have some properties like A, B, C, D, E. And you have to create a output which has common key values. So common key values like D and E are common in both. Okay. And
Okay.
even A property is also common, but it doesn't have the same value. So that also I want that they have same value. Okay. So if you
Okay.
have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can start now. Okay.
So, sir, it can have the input can have only it has only one test case, right?
Yeah,
Eh,
it is only one test case. So you don't have
Okay.
to write specific to A, B, C, or D. It can be
Okay.
any object. Basically, you can create a function or whatever. It takes two
Mm-hmm.
inputs, input 1 and 2, and both of them are object. That is for sure. You don't have to check they are object or not. And they will not be empty objects for sure.
Okay.
There will be some properties. And will they have any common properties? Not sure. So output can be also an empty object, or it can
Okay.
have some of the properties. In the best case scenario, everything is same. Both object has same prop. They are like the copy of each other, and
Okay.
the output will also be the same object. In worst case, nothing matches, and object will be an empty object output. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. So you can start with your approach, and you think, and if you want to discuss your approach, you can discuss. Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Sir, should I write first and then explain?
Yeah, you can give it some tries, and you don't have to explain. You can explain later also. Just
Okay. Okay.
do your experimentation.
Sir, the object can have keys only the alphabets, right?
Yeah, you can assume uh, not
A to
alphabets,
Z.
not
Okay.
alphabets, any string it can have, but string, nothing
Okay.
fancy, simple string.
So,
For convenience, you can take a assumption that this object will be not very large. Like it will not have thousands of properties. It will have maybe 100 or less property.
okay. So, sir, got it. Uh, it is solved, sir.
Yeah. So now you can describe your approach.
Sir, I am first declaring an object.
Mm-hmm.
Then I am looping to input one each key.
Okay.
So I am checking if both the keys are equal and its values are also equal. If
Yeah.
it is equal, then I can make a new key value pair in OBJ and then
Mm-hmm.
return it.
Okay. I think it is fine. So
Okay, sir.
if you, I don't see any kind of feedback in this.
Okay.
Now we will start with the next problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let me explain you this problem and then you can start after that if you can.
Okay.
So we want second largest number in the array.
Okay.
Okay. So second largest number in the array means like in input 1 you can see 7 is the second largest because 11 is the largest number.
Okay.
But we uh, there can be multiple same numbers also. So second case shows that like in that 147 is there and then
Mm-hmm.
247 is there, then 7 is
Mm-hmm.
twice, so it is the
Okay.
largest number, but I want the second largest number,
Okay.
so I want 4.
Mm-hmm. Got
So
it.
it's not like I don't want that I want the rank 2 or something, because rank
Okay.
2 will be still 7, but I want the second largest number. Okay, got it?
Got it, sir.
Yeah. So that is the problem. You have to find the second largest number. If there are duplicates, then also you have to just give me one number. You don't have to return
Mhm.
how many times it occurs, just the second largest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, can I use inbuilt functions?
Of JavaScript, yeah, you can use.
Yes. Okay. Okay. I think it's solved.
Yeah. So you used the set and converted it into an
Yes, sir.
array and then sorted. Okay. And then second largest number you took. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Second index, I mean, last.
Sir, I can use also without new set here.
Okay. Yeah. I was asking that only, that if you
Okay.
can try it without set now. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Uh,
What approach you are taking? Like, can you describe it?
okay. I am thinking, right. First, it is sorted, right?
Yeah.
It is in sorted array. So I will take a last element of the array. So I will, whenever it is equal, I will continue,
Okay.
and when it is changed, I will assign it the value and then
Okay.
return
So what is res? Like, what you are taking in the res?
result.
The last number,
Result, like, yes, the last number.
which you don't want to take as output. Just
Yes, yes,
and why your for loop is input dot length minus two, because you don't want to take the last. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Continue.
Equal to-
Yeah. They have some different kind of commenting. I don't know.
Okay.
You have to manually put
Uh,
double.
okay. I'll just remove it.
Mhm.
Uh, okay. Yes, is equal to. Okay, not equal to. I- Mm, okay. Input. It is input one answer, right? Uh,
Yeah, I think you have both console log of both, and I think
okay.
both are right. You can expand the console if you are not able to see console on in your window. You can expand the bottom panel.
Okay, let's check one by one.
No, I think both are coming. If you
Okay.
expand is if you expand, drag the lower panel, you can
Yes,
see.
yes.
Yeah.
Got it. 7 and 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you think of complexity of this particular answer?
Complexity.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, the complexity of this answer will be uh, n log n, maybe. N log n. Yes, sir.
Yeah, because it was sorting. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can we have a third question?
Okay. Hmm.
So let me explain it. It's the
Okay.
it's a very common problem. It's rotating the array by two places, but two places forward. Okay.
Two
Like
places forward.
like
Like right to
yeah,
the right. Okay.
to the left, I guess. Like I will say
Uh,
left. Okay. In case I will explain it. Like 11 is there.
okay.
11
Yes.
11 moves two places. It moves to 7 and then it moves to the 2's place. Okay. Like that. So it's kind of a
Okay.
rotating in the left hand direction by two places.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. So the first index, or you can say the zeroth index, becomes the second last index after rotation. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Got it. Yeah. So it can have positive, negative, any kind of number. The array is not sorted. Yeah.
Hmm. So I have to write the value of sir, I think it is solved.
Yeah, you can explain the approach.
Okay. So in the function, first I am
You
running
can
through a for loop for
you can select.
yes.
I can see your selections. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So here I am in this for loop.
Mm-hmm.
I have declared a temporary variable and
Yeah.
stored a input of 0.
Okay.
So then I input I equals to input I plus 1. So next element will become the ith element.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
in the end I just first element last element equals to the temporary element. So this loop run through two times. So it will rotate the array by 2.
Okay. So what will be the complexity of this problem?
uh, it will be on.
Will it be on? Suppose if the array is like
Yes.
1,000 or lakhs, and I have to shift it with maybe not two places, but maybe X number of places or K number of
Okay,
places.
I was telling for the rotate array by 2. So
Okay.
if it will depend on the number of rotations.
Okay.
So it will be on square then.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or you can say Kn also, like, because K
Okay.
is
Yes,
the,
yes. Kn.
yeah.
Got it.
Fine. Anything, I don't want you to try now because I think time is over, but anything
Okay.
which you want to, you think it can be improved, this algorithm, can it be improved or no?
Sir, I have got the approach of to the right, but to the left, I can't figure it out at the moment.
In the right, what you have done, like, just explain me now.
Like we
Mhm,
can module create a new array every time
mhm.
and modulus with the length of the input array. So it will become the last element. Like
Okay.
I will
And
just do it. Okay.
no, 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 you don't have to. So, how
Okay.
you think the complexity will be of that solution?
Of that solution, um, of that solution, uh, in that solution, the space complexity will increase, but
Time
I
complexity,
have to
how
try. Mm,
can you think of, like, will it be n square?
no, no, it will be n squared only. Then also.
Okay, okay. So I think it's fine. Like, we can stop here. So these three
Okay.
problems are solved.